You're either on the train or under it, and right now, the AI train is leaving the station. This isn't some futuristic sci-fi movie. This is happening right now, and it's going to change everything. We're talking about the kind of change that separates the winners from the losers, the ones making bank from the ones getting left behind. I'm talking about AI, artificial intelligence, and the skills you need to not just survive, but thrive in this new landscape. If you're not learning, you're losing. It's as simple as that. The good news, you're in the right place. This video is your guide to the AI skills that could triple, quadruple your income. We're going deep on automation, prompt engineering, AI content creation, data analysis, and AI in e-commerce. These are the skills businesses are desperate for, the ones they're willing to pay top dollar for. This isn't about getting a raise, it's about leveling up your entire game, so buckle up, get your hustle on, because we're diving headfirst into the AI revolution, and trust me, you do not want to miss this. Let's go. Let's talk about automation, baby. This isn't about robots stealing your job, it's about robots doing the boring stuff so you can focus on the things that actually move the needle. Think about it. What are the tasks in your day-to-day that are just sucking the life out of you? The repetitive stuff, the data entry, the copy-pasting, that's what AI eats for breakfast. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and instead of diving into a mountain of emails, your AI assistant has already sorted through them, prioritized the urgent ones, and even drafted responses. You're already 10 steps ahead and you haven't even finished your first cup. That's the power of automation, my friends. We're talking about tools like Zapier, Make, and even AI-powered scripts that can automate entire workflows. These tools are like having a team of interns working for you 24/7, except they don't need coffee breaks or sleep. They free you up to focus on strategy, creativity, and building real relationships, the things that actually matter. Don't underestimate the power of time. When you automate the mundane, you unlock the potential to do more, achieve more, and ultimately become more valuable. And in the world of business, value equals income. Remember that. Now, you might be thinking, Gary, this all sounds great, but I'm not a tech wizard. And you know what? That's perfectly fine. You don't need to be a coding genius to leverage the power of AI automation. The tools are getting easier to use every day, and there are tons of resources available to help you get started. Think of it like learning a new social media platform. Remember when you first started using Instagram or TikTok? It probably felt a little intimidating, but you figured it out, right? The same goes for AI automation tools. There are tons of tutorials, online courses, and even free resources that can take you from zero to automation hero in no time. Start by identifying those repetitive tasks that are eating up your time. Then, do some research and find the right tools for the job. And don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of these tools is that they're incredibly flexible and customizable. You can start small and gradually build up your automation skills over time. The key is to just dive in and get started. The sooner you embrace automation, the sooner you'll start reaping the benefits. More time, less stress, and a whole lot more potential to crush it in your career. Here's the thing. Businesses are drowning in data and tasks. They're desperate for people who can streamline processes, improve efficiency, and save them time and money. That's where you come in. By mastering AI automation, you're not just making your own life easier, you're becoming an invaluable asset to any team. Imagine walking into a job interview and saying, I can automate 50% of your current workload, freeing up your team to focus on strategic initiatives. Mic drop, you're hired. That's the kind of impact you can have with these skills. And it's not just about getting hired, it's about commanding higher salaries, negotiating better freelance rates, and ultimately, having more control over your career. When you have in-demand skills, you have options. You have leverage. You have the power to call the shots. So, are you ready to step up your game and become the automation MVP? Because the demand is there, the tools are available, and the only thing holding you back is you. Look, I'm all about hustle, but I'm also about working smarter, not harder. AI automation isn't about replacing human intelligence, it's about amplifying it. It's about freeing ourselves from the mundane so we can focus on the things that truly matter: creativity, innovation, and human connection. When you're bogged down by repetitive tasks, it's hard to think big picture. But when you automate those tasks, you free up mental bandwidth for strategic thinking, problem solving, and coming up with those game-changing ideas that can take your career to the next level. This is about more than just saving time. It's about unlocking your full potential. It's about transforming from a taskmaster into a mastermind. And trust me, the results will speak for themselves. Increased productivity, higher income, and a whole lot more fulfillment. That's the power of embracing the AI revolution. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI automation, master the tools, and get ready to crush it. The future belongs to those who embrace change, and right now, AI is the biggest game changer there is. Let's talk about one of the hottest skills in AI right now, prompt engineering. It's like speaking the language of AI, crafting magic words to make these tools dance. Think of AI as a genie in a bottle, powerful but waiting for your command. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are like race cars. You need to know how to drive them. And that's where prompt engineering comes in. It's about understanding how AI thinks and guiding it to create what you envision. Crafting the perfect prompt is like writing a spell, needing the right words and structure. Master it, and you become an AI whisperer, conjuring incredible content and solutions. This skill will only become more valuable as AI integrates into our lives. Ready to level up your AI game? Let's dive into the art of prompt engineering. Now you might be thinking, Gary, this sounds complicated. Do I need a degree in computer science to get this? Absolutely not. Think about talking to a child. You'd use simple language, clear instructions. It's the same with AI. Break down your requests, provide context, and use specific keywords. The key is understanding AI is a machine learning model. The more specific your prompts, the better the results. Practice makes perfect. Experiment and you'll get mind-blowing results. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AI tools is being too vague with their prompts. Instead of saying, write me a blog post about marketing, be specific. It's like saying, give me food, you won't get what you want. Be specific with your prompts to unlock AI's true power. The more specific you are, the more control you have over the output. Ditch vague requests and embrace the art of specificity. Let me tell you something, folks. Prompt engineering isn't just some passing fad, it's a fundamental skill that's going to be in high demand for years to come. As AI becomes more sophisticated and integrated into every aspect of our lives, the ability to effectively communicate with these tools will be crucial for success in virtually every industry. Think about it. Businesses are already using AI to write marketing copy, generate leads, create websites, and even develop new products. And as AI technology continues to evolve, the possibilities are limitless. But here's the thing, AI tools are only as good as the prompts they're given. And that's where you come in. By mastering the art of prompt engineering, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of this technological revolution. You're becoming the bridge between human creativity and AI's immense power, and that's a valuable skill to have. So, don't sleep on this opportunity. Dive into the world of prompt engineering, experiment with different AI tools, and hone your skills. The future is here, and it belongs to those who can speak the language of AI. All right. Listen up, content creators, entrepreneurs, hustlers. We're diving into the world of AI content creation. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. This is happening right now, and it's changing the game. We're talking about using AI tools like InVideo AI for video editing, Canva AI for graphic design, and DALL-E for mind-blowing image generation. These tools are your secret weapons to creating a content tsunami that drowns out the competition. Look, content is king, queen, and the whole damn royal family in today's digital world. Businesses are starving for engaging, high-quality content, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. But here's the catch, they need it at scale, and that's where AI comes in. Think of these AI tools as your 24/7 content team, working tirelessly to produce amazing stuff while you focus on the big picture. No more writer's block, no more endless hours designing graphics. Let's say you're creating a course on how to train your pet parrot. You can use AI to help you write scripts, generate accompanying visuals, and even create short animated explainer videos. And the best part? You don't need to be a technical wizard to use these tools. Most of them are incredibly user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality. We're talking about democratizing content creation, giving everyone the power to build their brand and share their message with the world. Now let's talk about the real game-changer scalability. Imagine being able to create 10 times, 20 times, even 100 times more content than you could before without sacrificing quality. That's the power of AI. Instead of spending hours writing a single blog post, you can use AI to generate multiple drafts in minutes, each with a unique angle and tone. Spend a few minutes refining and optimizing and boom, you've got a week's worth of content ready to go. This means you can reach a wider audience, attract more customers, and ultimately, boost your income. And we're not just talking about a little bump, we're talking about potentially tripling, quadrupling, even 10xing your earnings. Look, I'm not saying traditional content creation methods are dead, but I am saying that AI is the future, and those who embrace it will have a massive advantage. Don't be the one left behind, clinging to outdated methods while the world moves on. This is your chance to ride the wave of innovation, to become a content powerhouse, and to achieve levels of success you never thought possible. It's time to step up, level up, and embrace the AI content revolution. So what are you waiting for? Jump into the next video where we'll explore AI-powered data analysis and visualization, another game-changing skill set that can take your business to the next level. All right, let's talk data, baby. We're living in a world overflowing with data. Every click, every purchase, every scroll leaves a trail. Data without insights is just noise. AI tools like Tableau, Power BI, and ChatGPT cut through the clutter. They uncover hidden patterns and trends, turn data from a liability into a weapon. Businesses are starving for data storytellers. Become the Gary Vee of insights and watch your career explode. Now, hold up a minute, I'm not just talking about making pretty charts and graphs here. Look, I love a good visualization as much as the next guy, but it's gotta have substance. We're talking about actionable insights, the kind of information that makes you say, okay, now I know what move to make. This is where your human brain comes in, baby. AI can crunch the numbers, it can surface the insights, but you, my friend, are the strategist. You take those insights and you turn them into a game plan. You figure out how to optimize pricing, personalize marketing campaigns, refine your product offerings. Think of AI as your co-pilot, your wingman in the data-driven decision-making game. It gives you the intel you need to navigate the complex business landscape. But you're the pilot. You're the one calling the shots, making the moves that lead to growth and domination. And that's what separates the pros from the amateurs. Anybody can throw data on a slide, but it takes a real player to extract meaning, to connect the dots, to turn information into action. That's how you become invaluable. That's how you become the linchpin of any organization. Listen, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Data analysis used to be this exclusive club. You needed a PhD in statistics. You had to speak fluent algorithm. It was a whole thing. But guess what? AI is tearing down those walls. It's democratizing data for the masses. You don't need to be a tech wizard to unlock the power of data anymore. These AI tools are becoming so user-friendly, so intuitive, that anyone with a little hustle and a willingness to learn can get in the game. And let me tell you, that's a beautiful thing. We're talking about small business owners, entrepreneurs, marketers, creatives, all harnessing the power of data to make smarter decisions, to level up their game. No more relying on gut feelings or outdated information. We're talking data-backed moves, baby. And that's what gets me fired up, seeing the playing field leveled, seeing people from all walks of life empowered to use data to achieve their goals. That's the promise of AI, and frankly, it's pretty damn inspiring. So here's the deal, my friends. The data revolution is here, and AI is leading the charge. The question is, are you going to be a spectator, or are you going to get in the game? Are you going to let this opportunity pass you by, or are you going to grab it by the horns and ride it to the top? Listen, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Learning new skills takes effort, it takes dedication. But let me tell you, the payoff is massive. Imagine tripling your income, landing your dream job, starting that business you've been dreaming of, all because you took the time to master data analysis with AI. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy, this is the reality for those who are willing to put in the work. And let me tell you, the future belongs to those who can harness the power of data. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start learning, and watch your world transform. Alright, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, e-commerce giants in the making, listen up. We're talking about the digital marketplace, the arena where fortunes are made and empires are built. E-commerce has exploded, and if you're not leveraging AI, you're playing checkers while everyone else is playing three-dimensional chess. Think about it. Personalized recommendations, chatbots that feel like talking to a real person, predicting demand before it even exists. That's the power of AI in e-commerce. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce are integrating AI tools left and right, giving you the weapons you need to dominate your niche. Gone are the days of generic marketing blasts and hoping for the best. AI allows you to get laser-focused, micro-targeting your ideal customer with the exact products they desire at the precise moment they're ready to buy. It's like having a mind-reading sales force working 24/7, closing deals while you sleep. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to implement these tools. Platforms like Shopify are making AI accessible to everyone, from the solopreneur working from their basement to the established brands looking to scale to the moon. Let's talk about personalization for a minute because this is where AI really shines in e-commerce. Think about it. When you walk into a store, you're greeted, you're shown around, you get recommendations based on your style and preferences. That's the experience we crave as consumers, and AI allows you to replicate that online. Imagine a customer landing on your website and being greeted with product suggestions tailored to their browsing history, their past purchases, even their current location. No more generic product carousels, we're talking about curating an experience that feels personal, that makes the customer feel seen and understood. And that's how you build loyalty, my friends. That's how you turn one-time buyers into raving fans who keep coming back for more. Because in the crowded world of e-commerce, personalization is the key to differentiation. It's what sets you apart from the competition. And let's be real, nobody has time to manually personalize every single customer interaction. That's where AI comes in, automating the process, freeing you up to focus on the big picture, the strategic decisions that will take your business to the next level. Listen, we're living in a world of instant gratification. People want answers now, they want solutions yesterday, and if you're making them wait, if you're not available 24/7, you're losing business. That's where AI-powered chatbots come in, becoming your tireless customer service agents, your always-on sales team. Imagine a customer landing on your site at 3 a.m. with a question about sizing or shipping. Instead of waiting hours, even days for a response, they get an instant answer from your trusty chatbot. It's like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps, who's always ready to assist, to guide customers through their purchase journey. But here's the thing, it's not just about answering questions, it's about providing a seamless, personalized experience. AI-powered chatbots can learn customer preferences, anticipate their needs, even upsell and cross-sell products based on their browsing history. We're talking about turning customer service from a cost center into a revenue generator, all thanks to the power of AI. And that's the beauty of this technology. It's not just about automation, it's about augmentation, about making your business smarter, faster, and ultimately more profitable. Look, I'm not going to pretend I have a crystal ball, but one thing's for sure, the future of e-commerce is inextricably linked with AI. The businesses that embrace this technology, that integrate it into every facet of their operations, are the ones that will thrive in the years to come. We're talking about using AI to predict demand, optimize inventory, personalize marketing campaigns at scale. Imagine knowing exactly what products your customers will want before they even do, eliminating waste, maximizing profits, and staying ahead of the curve. This isn't science fiction, my friends, this is the reality we're rapidly approaching. And the businesses that are slow to adapt, that cling to outdated methods, they're gonna get left in the dust. It's harsh, but it's the truth. So, here's my challenge to you. Don't wait for the future to happen to you, create it. Embrace AI, experiment with new tools, and watch your e-commerce business reach heights you never thought possible. The future is now, and it's powered by AI. There you have it, my friends, 5 AI skills that could quite literally change your life. We're talking automation, content creation, data analysis, e-commerce domination. The possibilities are limitless. But here's the thing, knowledge without action is just wasted potential. Don't let this information sit idle. Don't just watch this video and go back to your old ways. The time to act is now. Start small, pick one skill, one tool, and dive in. Experiment, iterate, and watch as you unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and income-generating potential. Remember, the future belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and hustle harder than the rest. Thanks for watching. Don't wait. Start integrating AI into your skill set or business today. The earlier you adopt and adapt, the higher your competitive advantage will be. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. See you next time.